Hello dear students. Okay, let us do one more topic today. I am putting my videos topic wise so that you don't waste time doing 4-5 topics in one video. So whatever topics you have doubt in, you can just click on that video and take the advantage of that topic. So now today what this video is all about is about a very small topic, but that is very important for your board exam, that is mode and range. Now what do you mean by mode? Mode is the highest occurring number. Okay, let us take an example. 1, 3, 6, 7, 12, 11, 6. And that's the first question. Second question is 2, 7, 13, 6, 5, 2, 8, 5. So here you have to check in the first question which number is repeated, and if it is being repeated, how many times. So you can see here number 6 is repeated twice. All other numbers are only once, but this number is twice. So here my mode is, for the first question, is 6. Very simple. But sometimes we tend to forget the easiest part in the board exam. So my dear students, please remember. Second, 2, 7, 13, 6, 5, 8, 5. Here 2 is repeated and 5 is also repeated. Out of that, check which has been repeated the most number of times. 2 has also been repeated twice and 5 has also been repeated twice. So my mode is 2, 5. Why I gave this example? My dear students, never add 2 plus 5, 7. Because mode is not 7. 7 is only once. So if you have mode as a single number, 6 is repeated 2 times, so maximum 6, my mode is 6. But if there are two numbers which have been repeated twice, so your answer should be 2, 5. Remember, that is mode. So this is the first type of mode question, this is second, and this is the third type where they will be giving you mass and they will be giving frequency. This is again a group table. Okay, so mass between 15 to 16, 0, 16 to 17, 3, 17 to 18, there are 6 students, 18 to 19 kg, 14 students, 19 to 28 students. So don't check here. When you have to find mode, they will ask find the modal class. The question will come like this. Find the modal class. Okay. So if this question comes like this, what is the first, check in frequency, which is the highest number. Highest number, not maximum occurring number. Highest number. So highest number is 14. And which is the respective class? 18 to 19. So my answer is, remember, these are the 3 different types of mode. First type in which 6 was repeated 2 times. So my answer is 6. In the second type of question, 2 and 5 was repeated. So I wrote 2, 5. And in the tabular form, if it comes, just check in frequency, which is the maximum number. So here I got 14. And the class related to 14 is 18. Mass is between 18 to 19. Don't write 14 as the answer, my dear students. So this was all about mode. What is range? Range is nothing but highest number minus lowest number. Remember the formula. Highest number minus lowest number. So if this is the example, which is the highest number? 12. 12 minus lowest number. 12 minus 1, 11. So my range for this question is 11. So range is 11. And for this question, highest number is 13, lowest number is 2. So 13 minus 2, my answer is again 11. They will never ask you the range for this. Remember. Okay. So these were the 3 different types of mode plus range. So range is highest number minus lowest number. Sometimes they give an example like this. 0, 3, 8, 1, 5. So here my range will be 8 minus 0. That is 8. Never think that highest number is 8 and lowest number is 1. No. Where 0 is given, always, my dear students, take the lowest number as 0. So 8 minus 0, my answer is 0. Okay. So these were the 3 kind of mode plus range. Thank you, my dear students.